This body broke one of the most basic rules of death. It didn't decay. In a small town in northern Italy, authorities ordered the exhumation of a body that had been buried for several weeks. There were no suspicions of foul play, no criminal investigation, just a routine forensic review. What they expected was simple: advanced decomposition. What they found was something else entirely. When the coffin was opened, investigators immediately noticed something wrong. There was no overwhelming odor, no severe bloating, no collapse of facial tissue. According to every forensic timeline, this body should have been unrecognizable. It wasn't. The skin was pale, but intact. Facial features were still clearly defined. Even soft tissues showed minimal breakdown. Experienced pathologists, some with decades in the field, documented the same reaction. This doesn't make sense. The first assumption was preservation, maybe refrigeration, maybe embalming, maybe chemical interference. But the evidence quickly ruled all of that out. There were no embalming incisions, no chemical residue, no cooling system in the burial site. Environmental factors were analyzed next. Temperature, normal. Humidity, normal. Soil conditions, completely unremarkable. There was nothing about the environment that could explain what they were seeing. Then came another disturbing detail. Insects, which normally accelerate decomposition, were almost entirely absent. For forensic science, that alone was deeply abnormal. Investigators documented the phenomenon as delayed decomposition without environmental cause, a phrase rarely used because it usually means one thing: there is no explanation. And that's when the autopsy began, because whatever stopped this body from decomposing was happening inside. Part 2, where the case becomes even more disturbing.